Namaste and welcome to Lahari's classes. Welcome back to article by article series of Indian polity. In this lecture, we are going to understand all the articles in part 2 of the Constitution, that is citizenship. So what is a citizenship? It is the legal status of a person who is legally recognized as the member of a sovereign state. That means it gives a sense of belonging and grants that individual certain rights and privileges, also duties. Part 2, that is articles 5 to 11, deal with the citizenship provisions. So the first article in citizenship part is article 5. It defines the citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution. So according to it, every person who is domiciled in India and who is born in India, either of his parents are born in India or has been a resident in India for not less than 5 years before 26 January 1950, becomes the citizen of India. Article 6. It defines the migrants from Pakistan, and this article applies to two types of people who have migrated from Pakistan before 19th July 1948 and after July 1948. So for first aspect, that is who have migrated from Pakistan before 19th July, the conditions are they should be born in India, or his or her parent or grandparent must be born in India as defined in the Government of India Act 1935, and must be a resident in India since migration. So for those who have migrated after 19th July 1948 requires registration. So before applying for the registration process, he or she must be immediately residing in the country for at least 6 months. So only those persons who were living in the country for minimum of 6 months are eligible to register. Otherwise they are not eligible. So if they want to acquire citizenship of India, they have to fulfill this condition. Article 7. It is related to the migrants to Pakistan, from India to Pakistan. It is nothing but whoever have migrated to Pakistan after 1st March 1947 will lose the Indian citizenship as it is. It is simple. Article 7 is nothing but whoever migrates to Pakistan and willing to lose India's citizenship will automatically lose its citizenship. But there is an exception, that is those who are returning with resettlement permits to India will regain their citizenship of India. So such person should get their resettlement permits from the established law or any authority. And also those persons they are deemed to have migrated to the territory of India after 19th July 1948. So whatever the conditions we have mentioned here, that is after 19th July 1948, they should fulfill all of these to get the citizenship of India. Next is Article 8. Defines the persons of Indian origin residing outside India. So who is a person of Indian origin? It is that person who either of his parents or of his grandparents were born in India, but the person is currently living abroad and is willing to acquire the citizenship of India, must register as Indian citizens in India. So they can register at any Indian consulate in the country where he or she is residing by an application. Next is Article 9, that is voluntary foreign citizenship. This is the article where it says there is no dual citizenship in India unlike USA. So if an Indian voluntarily acquires citizenship of another country, they deem to have lost Indian citizenship. So there is no thing called dual citizenship in India. Only one, that is Indian. Article 10, that is continuance of citizenship. Every citizen continues to be a citizen subject to laws made by Parliament. Next is Article 11, Parliament's power to regulate the citizenship. The Parliament has the sole power to make laws for acquisition, termination and other citizenship matters. So Citizenship Act 1955, which was made by the Parliament, was enacted under this provision only. So this act covers the citizenship by birth, descent, registration, naturalization and incorporation. So let's have a summary of all the articles, 5 to 11 articles. So Article 5 says the citizenship at the commencement of Constitution. Article 6 says the conditions for a person who migrates from Pakistan. Article 7 says about the Indians who migrate to Pakistan. Here it is from, and in Article 7 it is to. And Article 8 mentions about the Indians living abroad and their willingness to acquire citizenship of India. Article 9 is how can one lose the citizenship on voluntarily acquiring a foreign citizenship. And Article 10 says the continuance of the citizenship as made by the laws of Parliament. And next is Parliament's Article 11, the Parliament's sole power to regulate the citizenship. That is, no other states can make laws on citizenship, only Parliament can do it. So next in the series, we are going to understand the part 3 of Constitution, that is fundamental rights, which cover the articles from 12 to 35. So thank you so much for watching till the end. Please subscribe for more polity lessons. God bless you all. Jai Hind.